Hello Internet, my name is Tori, welcome back or welcome to my channel. I did not realize you could see the Christmas gifts right there, but aesthetic, that's fine. Today I'm filming 50 makeup products I want to finish in 2019. This is inspired by Jessica Lee, and exactly like she said, some of these will be in projects and some of them will not, and this isn't necessarily a project pan, but this is just goals. So we're gonna jump right into it. So my first thing is the e.l.f. eyebrow kit. It's taking me literally forever. I just want to get rid of this shade. I think it's manageable. I think a lot of these are manageable. This one might be. This is the Tarte Exposed highlighter. I really hate it. This is the NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in Milk. I have not used this really since I got it, and it's cream. It's gonna go bad. I gotta use it. This is the NYX Crystal Liner in Crystal Silk. These next two products are both face powders. This is the AOA Perfect Finishing Press Powder, and this is the NYX No Filter Finishing Powder in Porcelain. They're both in porcelain. Based on my stats on my makeup inventory, I can go through about 4 powders a year, so those should be relatively easy. The next item is this mini Maybelline Great Lash Mascara. The next two items are both lorac eyeliners. I already used up the other one that was in this trio. This is Rose Bronze and Antique Gold. They both are have like, I want to say majority of their product left. This is the CoverGirl Clump Crusher Mascara. A NYX Full Coverage Pot Concealer. So that should be easy if I keep going, you know, at the rate I'm going. This is going to be a pain. This is the AOA Peach Corrector Concealer. I have the Maybelline Dream Velvet Foundation, the Maybelline BB Cream in light to medium. I have the QKI highlighter. I know, 2 highlighters, ambitious, it's fine. This is a lorac eye primer, a Wet n Wild face primer, the Urban Decay 1993 lip liner, the Too Faced sketch marker in white, the YSL Touche éclat, the Essence Silk Touch blush in Satin Love. I think I've only used this twice. So ambitious, but this is the second smallest blush in my collection. So I have hopes. And a couple more face products. Well, you know, typical products before we get into lips and eyes. We have the Too Faced Mini Born This Way Concealer in Light, a Sephora Highlighting Stick, a Physicians Formula Sexy Cat Eyes Mascara, and then the last face product is the Urban Decay Naked Skin Fluid in Aura. Now on to lips. We have 2 from Kat Von D, kdub and Mother. I have the MAC Candy Yum Yum. So already has some progress, so hopefully that's good. The NYX Lip Lingerie in French Maid. A full-size Jeffree Star Velour Liquid Lip in Rose Madder. Sugarpill's Bullet in Cubby, which might be a little hard, but I can do it. The Tarte Lip Paint in Texas Toast, because this is getting older. The Bite Mini in Rhubarb. This bullet is so fragile. The MAC lipstick in La Vie en Rouge. So that's also going to take some work. And the Jeffree Star Velour Liquid Lip in I'm Royalty. This will probably be used as eyeliner and lipstick. And now on to, you know, the best part, the eyeshadows. I think some of these are very realistic. I'm trying to push myself to use up more eyeshadows. I started to last year use up a lot and then kind of went on the wayside. So we're going to start this back up again. This is the Coastal Scents shade in Mauve, one of their hot pots. This is an Anastasia single in 10K. I feel like this one might be a little difficult, but that's fine. This is from a L'Oreal quad. This is, I just simply call it the brown shade. It does have a little of a dip. These next three are all from a Kathleen Lights and Morphe palettes. None of the shades had names, if I remember correctly. So this is the white matte color in the collection. This is the dark gray. I have used it and then it is shattering, so I'm using that to my advantage. And then this is a bronze shimmer from that same palette. From the Anastasia Modern Renaissance, I have burnt orange. And I have red ochre. From the Makeup Geek and Manny MUA palette, I have peaches and cream. From the Lorac Brunch palette, I have Jelly Donut. And I have Sunday Fun Day. Now, these next three are all from the 2015 Tarte Romantic Eye Essentials palette. I do not remember the names, but I have a taupe light brown, a dark brown, those are both matte, and then I have a brown with gold reflex shimmer, and a dark brown shimmer. So I want to get all of those out. That is my goal. Even though this isn't a project, but I'm acting like it's a project. But it's kind of, y'all know what I mean. Y'all know. But anyway, thank you so much for watching. Jessica will, of course, be linked down below. And don't forget to like, comment, and all that jazz if you enjoyed. And peace out, Girl Scout.